You're trying to find an access control system for your organization. You're looking for a simple system using the latest technology. Whether it's a completely new system or you only need an extension with card readers or door controllers, anything is possible with Entrance Manager. Entrance Manager builds on decades of experience, and the needs of the users help shape its development. Simple, flexible, and available everywhere. Entrance Manager is completely web-based and made available from an SaaS solution from a secure data center. The system can be accessed anywhere by PC, tablet, or smartphone. What do you need? A card reader, the network door controller, an internet connection, and an Entrance Manager account. You only need to connect the network door controller to your network, click a button, and the network door controller is automatically configured and connected to Entrance Manager. You can log in through your own web address and start using the access control system. Thanks to the many integration options, Entrance Manager can forward personal information and authorization rights to existing and new applications, such as payment functions, locker use, parking, license plate recognition, intrusion detection, HRM systems, and use of multifunctionals. Entrance Manager can also be used as a virtual functional manager. The access control system of Entrance Manager is suitable for all doors, cabinets, turnstiles, and barriers. Easy access for authorized person and closed to uninvited guests. Entrance Manager can also be used for attendance and time registration. If you'd like to receive more information about Entrance Manager, please contact us at info@entrancemanager.com or visit www.entrancemanager.com.